and security forces conducted extensive search operations in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hill and valley districts, specifically targeting Gelbung village in Bishnupur District on October 7, 2024. The operations led to the recovery of a cage of weapons and ammunition. During the operation, authorities seized a variety of arms including one AK-47 rifle with a magazine and 12-bore single-barrel rifle, a 12-bore pistol and a 9mm CMG alongside its magazine. The haul also included a 5.56mm Insas LMG magazine, 4 live rounds of 9mm CMG ammunition, 1 12-bore cartridge, 5 number 36 hand grenades, and 1 tear smoke grenade. Additionally, security forces confiscated 5 detonators, 4 tube launchers with arming rings, a modified explosive IED weighing 2.5 kg, 2 bulletproof jackets, 3 bulletproof plates, 2 pairs of jungle shoes, and a helmet. These operations are part of a broader strategy to ensure safety and security in vulnerable areas, particularly amidst ongoing tensions in the region. Alongside the search operations, security forces also facilitated the movement of essential items along major highways. A total of 190 vehicles were monitored on National Highway 37 and 214 vehicles on National Highway 2, ensuring that strict security measures were in place to provide safe passes.